My name is Ashlyn, and I have a corporate relations role here at Club Sparkle. We're a lifestyle company that specializes in wellness and beauty products that are very successful in Japan, and we're now making our way into America. I wanted to get on video today and share a demonstration on how to use ION5. ION5 is the perfect balance of 72 essential minerals supercharged with energetics technology to enhance your body's performance. It's the foundation of our product line here at Club Sparkle because mineral balance is important to good health. Unfortunately, there's an ongoing epidemic of mineral depletion in the soils, fruits, and vegetables due to pesticides, fertilizers, and other elements. But we're on a mission to help address that problem because it's compromising people's health worldwide. Today, I will show you just a few ways you can incorporate ION5 into your life. We all know that it's beneficial to start your day with a glass of water upon waking up. Increase the benefits by remineralizing your drinking water. We recommend 10 drops in a glass of water or other beverage 4 times a day. You can even add it to our other wellness products, Everyoung and Nectura. As mentioned earlier, vegetation loves ION5 too. You can add ION5 to a spray bottle of water and spritz on your plants and vegetables. Do this once a day and watch your plants perk up. Spritz on your fruits and vegetables to keep them fresh for longer. Most people don't realize that our bodies can't create its own minerals. We need to consume them from foods or supplementation. Although there's so many types of minerals in the market, most minerals are not easily absorbed. This is critical because your body cannot use what it cannot absorb. ION5 is naturally ionic and similar to the fluid found in the human body, so it's easily absorbed. Plus, it acts as a delivery system for other Sparkle products to maximize their effectiveness. ION5 also helps balance the body's pH level, which is vital to staying healthy. We are proud to say that ION5 is more concentrated than any other mineral supplement on the market. It's safe, pure, and highly effective, all without the use of chemical processing. ION5 has many uses. Detoxify your system, improve your circulatory health, enhance the assimilation of vitamins, improve your hair, skin, and teeth. The beneficial uses are endless, and they aren't just reserved for humans either. Your pets, vegetables, and plants will benefit from use too. If you have any questions about the benefits of using ION5, please leave them down below.